How to unlock permanently locked Snapchat account. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock a permanently locked Snapchat account. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First of all, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Search for Snapchat account locked. From the results, open the page called My Snapchat account is locked. This is the official Snapchat support page, and it's where everything starts. Once the page opens, the first thing you need to do is figure out whether your account is temporarily locked or permanently locked. Scroll a bit and open the section that says, My account was temporarily locked. Here, you'll see common reasons like using third-party apps, plugins, or trying to log in too many times with the wrong password. If your account is temporarily locked, remove any third-party apps connected to Snapchat. Wait around 48 hours, then try logging in again using the correct password. In many cases, the account unlocks automatically after this waiting period. If that doesn't work, or if Snapchat clearly says your account is permanently locked, go back to the main page. Open the section that explains why accounts get locked. Permanent locks usually happen because of serious violations, like spam, misuse of third-party apps, or logging in on a device that was previously banned. At this point, your only option is to appeal the lock. Scroll until you find the section called Who Can Unlock My Account? Then tap on the blue Appeal option. This will open a page with instructions about the appeal process. Read everything carefully and submit the appeal by following the steps shown there. There's one more thing you should try, especially if you think your account was hacked. In the browser, search for Snapchat account compromised and open the first result. Scroll down until you see the Contact Support Here button and tap on it. From there, you'll be asked to enter your username, email address, phone number, and a short message. In the message, clearly explain that you didn't violate Snapchat's guidelines, your account was unexpectedly locked, and you're requesting help to regain access. After submitting the form, all you can do is wait for Snapchat support to review your request and respond. It may take a few days, so be patient and keep an eye on your email. If this video helped you out and you want more Snapchat tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.